Free ride. Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. This week we're going up the coast. We got downhill nationals at Awabba, so pretty keen for it. Thought I'd give you guys a bike check video. Yeah, so this here is my Pivot Pheonix 29. I've got the black and grey colorway. Pretty sick, I think personally it's my favorite. But yeah, it's sick colorway. Yeah, and then we've got that kitted out. We got the Fox 40s. Fox hooking it up with the best suspension out. So yeah, Fox 40s, Fox Float X2. That's my squishers. They're going pretty good. We've got DT Swiss FR560 wheels. Front wheels laced onto a 240 hub. On the back we've got a Stans Impulse hub. That's pretty sweet. Good noise. Yeah, and then for the rubber, we've got the Pirelli Scorpion DH race compound. These things are actually sick. We're running the M tread pattern, which is generally their front tire, but we're running that front and rear. That thing hooks up. And then from there, our stoppers, we got Shimano Saint brakes, but we are also running the Galfa Shark rotors with some Galfa pads. Those things are sick. They stop real well. Then what else? We've got Race Face Atlas bars and stem. Sick. Got a little shred till bed top cap. That's pretty cool. Shimano Saint pedals. We got Truvative Descendant cranks. Pretty soon we'll chuck some Race Face Era ones on. Get that fresh Race Face carbon look. So that would be pretty cool. Yeah, we're running Tannis inserts front and rear in the tires as well. Generally run about 22 in the front, 27 in the rear. It's just good traction. My suspension settings, I'll just put a screenshot of my notes that I've got for them. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hey, we got the stock pivot grips. These are probably some of the best grips. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Fully forgot to mention running SRAM GX DH. Yeah, that stuff's pretty cool, I guess. Does the job. But yeah.